Hello and welcome students. Today I am here with a new topic of chapter Heat and its effect. Today I will discuss about relationship between scales. In the last video we have discussed about the different scales of temperature as degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. So here you can see a relationship between these three scales written here. Here you can see F minus 32. This 32 and this 273 is the minimum temperature of that scale. This is the minimum temperature of Fahrenheit scale and this is the minimum temperature of Kelvin scale. And here under written that total number of parts of that scale. Here you can see 100. Here we have to put minus 0. But when we subtract 0 from C, we will get C. That's why I have not written here minus 0. So there are three scales are interconnected to each other. You can see here. So to find out value of degree Celsius, if degree Fahrenheit is given, we use these two parts, these two steps to find out the value. And if we want to find out value Kelvin and if degree Fahrenheit is given, so we use these two steps. And if we want to find out value of degree Celsius and value in Kelvin is given, so we use these two steps. To find out in different values in different scales, I have written some formulas derived from these formulas. So first, if we want to find out value in degree Celsius and value in given degree Fahrenheit, so we use this formula or use this formula. This formula is derived from this formula. So we can use both of them. But here you can see we will get a large calculation. But here we can easily find out. But you have to learn this formula. Here I have derived 6 formulas from that formula that was written above. So you can see here, if we want to convert degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit, we can use this formula, otherwise this formula. Next is to convert Kelvin into degree Celsius, we can use this formula, otherwise this formula. This formula is also derived from this formula. Next is to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin. We can use any one of them. Here are two more formulas are given. If we want to find out value into degree Fahrenheit and in the Kelvin value is given, so we can use this formula, otherwise this. And to convert value degree Fahrenheit to Kelvin, we can use this or this. These all formulas are derived from the upper formula. Here I have taken some examples to follow these formulas. So you can see here, first numerical is convert 40 degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. So to find out value in degree Fahrenheit, we have to use formula that we have derived before. So formula will be F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Now put values. 9 by 5 and the value of C is equal to 40 plus 32. 9 by 5 and add these 2, 4, 3, 7. 72. Now we will open the bracket. So 9 by 5 into 40 plus 32. 5 8 ja 40. And 8 9 ja 72 plus 32. You will get 104 degree Fahrenheit. So now value of 40 degree Celsius is equal to 104 degree Fahrenheit. This is the answer. This is the second example. If we want to convert 212 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius, so we have to put this formula, and after that we will put value of Fahrenheit and we will get answer 100 degree Celsius. This is the third example to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin. This is the fourth example to convert 300 Kelvin into degree Fahrenheit. For today I have done. We will meet in next video with the new topic. Thanks for watching. Till then, bye bye.